Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove admin from Facebook page. First of all, open your Facebook app. Then tap on this menu icon in here and scroll down a bit. Next, tap on this page option in here. Then select the page you want to remove admin. And you can see the switch option in here. So just tap on it. Next, you need to go to menu icon by clicking these three lines and scroll down a bit. Then you can find settings and privacy option in here. So click on it and next go to the settings in here. Now you can see page settings option in here. So tap on it. Scroll down a bit again and click page access option in here. So now you can see all admins in your page, and by click these three lines, you can remove them. Keep in mind, you have to be an admin yourself to be able to remove another admin. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.